Hello, I'm Sandhi. Welcome to our Pinyin series. Today we're talking about the tone Sandhis of the third tone. Before we have already learned how to pronounce the finals, initials, and the four tones of Pinyin. If you want to review, you can check these videos. But in our daily life, do you find sometimes some Pinyin's pronunciation is different with what you learned from the textbook or what you check from the dictionary? Yes, because sometimes we will change the tone. So today we're talking about the change of the third tone. Before we're talking about the change, can you tell me how we pronounce the third tone? It's go down and up at 2, 1, 4. For example, read after me. Okay, let's come back to think. Do you hear sometimes Chinese people talking in Mandarin? They will say something like this tone, less, right? So because in our conversation, this third tone will change. How it changed? Let's see. First, it's very important one. It's two third tone together. If two third tone read together, like we will change it to second tone plus third tone. So, for example, this character, okay, say 呢 yi, ni, third tone plus this one, 喝 ao, hao. So if you read this one, it's 你 and this one, 好 together. How to say? We know say 你好. We say what? Second tone. 你好 It's hello. 你好 你好 Very good. But we need to pay attention. Even the third tone, two third tone together, it changes to second tone and the third tone. But in Pinyin, you need to write like. When you write the Pinyin, you need to write the third tone, right? 你 So we do 你好 你好 Very good. Two third tone together. How about third tone with other tones? If third tone with other tones, like plus first tone, or second tone, or fourth one, we will change the third tone, only read the first part and plus. So, for example, third tone plus first tone, like. I directly write the Pinyin, so you will know how to. If you see this Pinyin, how we pronounce? We know say 买单. We just read the first part of the 买. We say 买单 买单 买单. No, directly go down. No need to up the 买单. Very good. And or second tone. This one, how to pronounce? 了雨吕 and plus 行 We know say 旅行 also only first part 旅行 and 歌俺敢摸奥帽 感冒 Do we say 感冒 No, we say 感冒 Okay, so remember third tone plus first one, first tone, second tone, and the fourth tone. Only read the first part, go down to 1. And third tone plus third tone, we will say change the first one become the second tone. This is 2 characters become a word. How about 3 characters become a word? Okay, for example, so if 3 third tone together is a word, we need to thinking which 2 is more closer. For example, we have A, B, C, so B and C more closer, like 母、老、虎. So we will find 老虎, these 2 is more closer. Can be a word, means tiger. 母老虎. We know it. 母老虎. So strange. So we do what? We'll change like this. 母老虎. 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 Okay, let's go to number 4. Okay. If the first 2 is more close, so we say like 水彩笔. 水彩笔. We know say like this. How we say it? We will change to second tone plus third tone. So we will read like 水彩笔. 水彩笔. Then number 5. If these 3 third tone not close to each other, like we always say the phone number 999, phone number 999, 999. We know number 9 is say 9, so how we say this 3 999? We also say like second tone plus third tone. So we will read like 999, not 999. It's 999. Okay, that is all about the change of third tone. But somebody will ask teacher Sandhi, how about I have 5 third tone together, or 6 or more than 3? So if this situation happens, you just first split it become 2 third tone together or 3 third tone together. Then you according to this to make a small change. Do you got it? If you like it, please like and share to your friends. Thanks for watching. See you next time. 再见。